Absama menase enano pese uguso share Adom TV. Agudie mon se mano penso aboabo ani nyina no ma memfa no so nkomo. And down say agukansie enano penso Franco Trading Enterprise. Eni nyimekuo ahodo eka ho eboa ama meden nkomo no abro. Medin de Cobblestone okomankra baako amaka ensiroja adura enwono. Na yebiwrem kakra ewo Italy memo na yakohwe enada matches ahodo a eno etototo dwa atum sampa. Na ebi ano eshipa enada Fiorentina etnefie obra na efe dikan ono ahyegu edikan na so ni nyina mu no yebete ka no ebehye Fiorentina atum sampana ano ode ne nisi ewini 2-1 ewo sa game a eno etimi etodwane sanso ena International Milano enada omo ye adwuma no edema embabunu no bebrebe wobra omo eche komofo ebom akamienu a womo entimi antibie yenhwe sedia ehunfoni no awusanti wei eyede ekoso ewo enkrofo aman so enu anadwo desuom ena matches we munyina totodwa anopai yede eno so emunchiemu no yede emao ebebe fie abedi nkoma hwe ensema wodo a eno so ewo fie ne mom kai na hye no so se MJ Grand Hotel ene omche se omanya mfinhia edu 14 years na se eyene gisem eyene kasempa na eno sanso ntine ene omche se 20% discount na se yatiti to say who and they say koba se okoda ewo MJ Grand Hotel a free 1st December ekosi 31st December yamao 20% discount and nano pay meka and wansem actually onim say yeka MJ Grand Hotel dia okowa ya dey say free wifi eye adwuma de nene pa afi omo poolside e honom yesanso ewo gym bia obetiniti ne wompo mu na afi nso no ohwese dete a free wo ene airport nso eyemreti awabi enti mo amwo amanone anase mo fra amanone eba no momo de adase mo de mani ebekiremo ewo MJ Grand Hotel na enya no nko a omkyerese ende se koba se oto pizza kese pa ne bia yebesa ama meat pie kese pa enso account na se eye free bonto enti ni nyina eye enhyehye outdoor empenifo ade agu akwam se be ya 14 years anniversary no eno so ebetimi akonkan MJ Grand Hotel onim se bia obetimi ada no wada enda ho anase watimi adwedwe ho eno no frewom 0540 274 463 0540 274 463 anampo obetimi afre 057 333 8062 MJ Grand Hotel osekwe na kwadwedwe ohun kamapa Franco Trading Enterprise enso eye mobile phone papa any television papa efia and they almost at the special discount so ekitem dendendia yeguso ede agudie monsem no yede edan wo afemfe ne enchemo ewo Ghana Football Association asye General Secretary lawyer Prosper Harrison Adom enende woden sem kakra etudwa etufo en wo ka kire borbofo a edu ba bia no mo hyeda akọ no mo se edin no se registration ekoso no mo de obi din eba beye obi wo kran so anemfie no no wa hyeda akote so na se ama enkrata sem no akọ edentente pa ne no ena opani no eche se wa obesa na ye so mu a waso ebe hyepa yenti ensema lawyer Prosper Harrison Adom Ghana Football Association General Secretary wode ato empanifo ani.
Now, when it comes to registration, the problem we have there is change of name and then reduction of ages. Sometimes increment of ages. We are used to, when we say age cheating, people always think that people are reducing their ages. There are some who want to increase their ages. So we get it both sides, just that on the reduction side, we have more. When it comes to that, the responsibility is not only on the club. In fact, it's on all of us. And that is why you see that when the punishment comes, it affects the player, the club, and if it's international, it affects the country. Because when we are going to play international matches, the GFA does not register people anew. It's the same registration your club has done for you that is pushed to CAF or FIFA. The same, because it's the same FIFA Connect. So if a player is allowed to cheat at the club level, it follows the player to the national level. And if we are caught at the international level, they will ban the GFA in terms of that competition. And then they banned the player as well. Of course, then we also banned the team. So currently, the law is simple. It says that if you falsify or you are fraudulent in the documents you send for your registration, when legal drafters say minimum is more dangerous than when they say your punishment is 1 year or 2 years or 5 years. It says minimum 1 year. So it means that the committee has the freedom to go as far as 20 years if they wish, depending on the severity of what you've done. So the punishment is minimum 1 year. So you see that sometimes people get 1 year, and then recently more people are getting 3 years or 5 years. And for a player, if 5 years is taken out of your playing career, or 3 years, even 1 year, it can really set you back, because recovering is to go back to your peak is a difficult journey. And so my admonition or advice would be that please, when people, I know for a lot of the players, it starts from somebody advising you that I'll take you to a national team, so you have to reduce your age. Please. The punishment is severe and is there. And so I'll plead with you. Anybody says that, please no.
Oshanti eno eye ensem ahodoa Ghana Football Association or General Secretary Lawyer Prosper Harrisonado wode eto mpanifo enim ma yemfro na yemfe ne enchemo awo the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana onim se na nsem wode nanka Ghana man nyina no ehwe nim se yebetimi a qualify ewo African Cup of Nations a yede eye enyimu akansie no ehyehyehye so na so ni nyina mo no enya de se Ghana team edi nkonim ewo match back okra na ya qualify edi akoyanim eno nam so ema former Black Star player Majid Muwaris Abdul edi atudwa se ene ya pa ene woda no osode a bon se ayene se da so no na ene ya pa se Ghana entimi an qualify ewo eye 2025 AFCON Jumedia na nke yehwe nim se yebetimi edi ene achiremu no.
For sure, as a player who have also played the national team, and then I know what it means for the whole of Ghana to qualify for this this tournament, and I think I would say it's a shame to all of us, and I feel like it's something needs to be done. I think we are not, everyone is hurt, and then we are not going to feel it that much now. But when it's time for the tournament, when you see the countries arriving for the tournament, and then the joy, the happiness that it brings into the country, that's when the country will start to even feel it more. So I think it's something that we are all not happy about, but it's past, and then the only thing that can be done is like look into how we can make it into the next one.
Eti Nguasie say yentimi unqualify enu yensembia Abdul Majid Waris wode etu eja. Yensan enkuyanim former Black Star players nebi ena ono so egusua ekasei na emprempren Emmanuel Agyemang Badu obeka ne yepa branch timer oman Ghana yekoginemo ewo wiase nyina afemu mekire bobo enhyiemu kase todwa under 20 World Cup no na Ghana ekokukuru sa ekruwa no onim se Agyemang Badu ene obi a obo penalty a etwato po short no nempenfo say eh branch oya under 20 or say yes I'm under 20 say sa or say brabe interview or say oh enchia kase nkoma meyere ene member e Ghana under 20 na say Emmanuel Agyemang Badu ene de wo kase na Badu a kire say we de obeka e de a kire coach Black Galaxies coach na say ene mpanifo a omnikita local Black Star ne say ewom say ena no omantimi endi nkunim e Nigeria so de na so wo hwe nim say second leg encounter e betodwa e Nigeria no on betimi akọ all out say be ya nkunim de ebekọ e de amagana wo bra ye hwe say e betimi qualify akopie mo e wo chan akansie nim no.
For what I've seen yesterday is two reflections of the game, because we couldn't create any decent chances the whole 90 minutes. I think they hit the post once, some deflection ball, and the first half I think they played better more than us. The second half, when we brought in the free and entry and other players, I think the game changed a bit, and we played very well. Pressed them very high to get goal, but we couldn't. All is not lost. I'm praying that history comes back like how we did to them in the World Cup when we drew in Kumasi and everybody thought, oh, it's over, and we went there 1-1 and we qualified. Though this is a different ball game, it will be very difficult because the way they played yesterday was they were very comfortable on the ball and they possessed the ball very well and they were very threat in the game as well. But I'm very optimistic that we will right the wrongs and go there and prove ourselves. But we should be very careful if not to go and defend, because this is only one game. When you lose, you are not going anywhere, and we can't do that because, mind you, we didn't qualify for the African Cup of Nations. If they chance we don't qualify, then there will be a bit of disaster. So, yeah, we will support them, pray for them. They should go all out and win the game for us in the return leg.
When in summer, Emmanuel Agyemang Badu Ajingo Bebeto wade etu yenim wabrai beno na yenene AD enkomo. Enche me the President-elect, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enkomo no ebeto aso amanemum kana hyene so se Franco Trading Enterprise and they bronya yi onim se omonimi yededa Franco nyenne ene wo ba abeye achewa achede bebrebe eno ane se ubewura mu ewo Franco asoye se ba se Nokia phone ena ope papa quality one and the bono esan eda from Samsung iPhones ahodo de bebrebe yede chiche ewo Franco asoye sanso ena smart TVs me pacho ni nyina no okowa ne bono F pa nti bomodin se ende se koba se open yoma mabobo din bia ubewura mu ewo Franco Trading Enterprise asoye na onzo mo so etime akodi edwa eho Franco Trading Enterprise was still phone papa if you mpacho the telephone number na from na ono mo so entime enkasa 024 642 2338 024 642 2338 and I say 055 593 9311 Frome na ono mo so entime enko kasa afe yimremu ewo akutukubo eye boxing na beka ni ye pa Bukom Boxing Arena eye arena chenchirenche pa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne penso eno mukukrusa arena edi esi ho no penene echese wasan abadia na eho behia se obetimi asan ahyemo kana sebe ya agudi ahodo no ebetimi akoso na enko ese enei obehwe na Bukom Boxing Arena no kamia ese clubhouse ahodo wo ho any hostess ahodo wo ho nyina no yede adane store no osida bi enya de se oba betina wa masade no akoso kra
on your
enti we ene ensema President-elect Neso Mampania omani nyina agi atumu atono soaba His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ena otise wode enchiremu we so wode etudwa no ebusama nyina so na yemfa ensem no ensinemum hye no so se 26th of December eno so adwumade kasia ye kan wasmacho eno ye party in the park 2024 na se onim se we enhyehyɛ sonko a Joy FM family party in the park and wasem and America ediacho na feed and penfo HS ebekoso ewo Abri Botanical Gardens wo until 10 a.m. sharp na se ukita tiketa watimi ewremo kama and then penfo HS 200 Ghana cedis and a ticket no aircraft until for a family of 6 mutua 200 Ghana cedis MPE na piabaze pocho bomodin there ejiwenyi ebechirem ewo Joy FM party in the park jumede na se na eno so etimi ewie peyo enso ede amao yenyina so enkomo outdoor ende ye bobo ano no memfa eno so ensi nyame yadoma ena nwumre ka na hye no so se yebesa ba na yede agokansie outdoor no so yede eno so abro within the cobblestone okomankra bako amaka ensuroja adura enwono numero 1 sheshe